haven't started cycling yet, but we've decided that this is better than the coast to coast. We're going to actually step it up with the promo. So we're going to Radio Hartlepool. They've agreed to stupidly interview us, haven't they, James?
Yeah.
But it's not going to be live because they can't trust us, can they, James?
Who, me?
We're going to be promoting the cycle on April the 6th, and hopefully it'll be getting out to a few more people to support the club. I want to set it up while we're being interviewed, so let's see what comes of this, what nuggets of wisdom come from our coast to coast, and what we can carry forward into this.
So right now we've got my guests, as promised. We've got Adam Cook and James Pearson in, who I don't know whether they're foolish or whether they're good guys, but you know, kind of doing the amount of miles which we're going to be talking about for a charity bike ride. James and Adam, good afternoon. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
And you look a bit kind of scared when I said that as well, quite frankly, you know, but you think maybe it's that time where you're thinking, you know, was this a good idea to do this?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we're set for punishment, aren't we?
Yeah, there's a saying, isn't it? It's very much a stupid idea.
That's our catchphrase, yeah.
Stupid idea. Stupid idea. Stupid idea.
Go on,
Sure, mate. I've still got one break.
Yeah.
And I've not sat on my bike since last year when we done the coast to coast.
And that's exactly the same way, yeah.
It's going to go well, isn't it?
It's going to go really, isn't it?
Jeff, coast to coast different. How people do that in 24 hours, just can't see it.
But then where would the donations go? You know, right now he's done it in 24 hours here, London.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They didn't see me on the floor on the road after my legs caved in.
I was on the road with my legs in the air while James tried to get rid of my cramp. I couldn't move. Car pulled over, asked if I was all right.
Thought he was dead.
Thought I was dead.
We stupidly decided a wild camp last year as well. So it was 16 kilograms, something like that, on each of our backs, tents and whatnot. But so we're not doing it this time. This time we're
Travelling light.
traveling light.
Wrong, 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 wrong.
Lou on Radio Hartlepool and one of my guests were singing along rather badly there. Adam Cook and James Pearson.
Just being a bad me, like
I'm going to say, I hope your bike ride's a lot better than me singing. I'm the same, but
Unfortunately.
2 weeks later.
It's 4:32, and we're about. Well, I'm about to go to James's, and then we're going to set off from there to the headland, and then we're going to set off. This has to be the most stupidest idea. Stupidest? It's not even a word. I don't care. It's not even a word. It's 4:32 in the morning. Morning all. 5:30 in the morning, and we are freezing. Well, actually, we're warmed up because we came from James's house. We are ready to go, aren't we, James?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe.
Which way are we going?
I can just see the hills appearing on the horizon.
Yeah, I know.
And I know that we have to go over them
Yeah, exactly.
at some point.
So,
As you can see, we brought less gear than last year.
yeah, it's can you see my net? Never mind.
What we didn't account for was we're going to be away for about 5 or 6 days. So, plenty of gear.
No idea.
Oh, twins!
Oh, twin friend.
This is two blokes that are festively plump all year round doing a 400-mile bike ride.
I can't say any more than that. We will update this later on. See you on the other side. Right then, let's get the miles in. Oh, go on, mine's on the top one.
Yeah, no, yeah, it's like the national mine's turn round. What, have you seen all these down here?
Oh, look at him.
Look at him there. Oh, bless him. Go on, mate. Go on. Oh, look at you there. Is that a mating call?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What did you say?
5 minutes later.
So we have done 15 mile so far, and it's time for James's treat of free workouts.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's see how far these go. Wow, that's strong. Bottoms up.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Holy
Yum yum. Nom 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 nom.
I don't know what's in that, but that, hey.
That's got it. That's got a little kick to it.
Whatever it is, it's got it.
We seen a cycle path to the left. I think it meant cycle path to the left, stay to the left. Let's go over Newport Bridge. James thought it meant turn left on the industrial estate. We're down in an industrial estate, James. Please give us an update. How cool does James look with his sunglasses on? Look at him.
Yeah, I'll tell you what about these sunglasses. So I was in Home Bargains yesterday, right? Said Jess I could do with some sunglasses, so I went mine now. Went and had a look, $1.99.
What a Bobby Dazzler.
Bargain. It's like Poverty Safari.
Here we go. Newport Bridge.
North Yorkshire.
Yorkshire.
We're out of Durham, we're in Yorkshire.
Yorkshire. Keeping good timing. Sun's out. Guns aren't out, but our suns are out. Our suns? Sun's out, Jesus. 4 o'clock start, to be fair, still tingling from that shot. Pre-arrival, that's what we got you, wasn't it?
I'm thinking of the old ship.
There's the last person who tried to cycle to Hastings from Hartlepool. Yeah. At least we made it past this pit. Chester Copperpot, that was it. Chester Copperpot, the Goonies. He went hunting for the gold and the kids got further than him. So we're in a nice area here where wheels have been taken off on mobility scooters. the sooner he's finished video calling Jess, the sooner we can get on our bikes and get out of here. We've been here before, haven't we, James?
Won't take the tent this time, Adam.
No, we won't take the tent this time. He's strapping me up because I need something across my chest. My shoulders are absolutely killing. We are 20 mile in. Making good way, good headway.
You know what they say?
No. What does it say?
Watch the nip.
Get that bleeped. Just giving ourselves a brief respite. It says there, Route 65 York, 63 mile. As you can tell, we're going uphill. Right, turn right then. So we're 25 mile in, we're in Stainby. It's lovely, quiet, rural. And we found a bench. And we thought, you know what, let's treat ourselves to a sit down. Protein bar, a couple of nuts, and then some nuts.
Oh, some nuts.
Some nuts.
Some cream on your lugs.
I haven't had some cream on my lugs, mate. Do I need to put cream on my lugs?
Oh, it'll do. It's the bit that's out your helmet.
How can you tell I got trousers on?
You are?
Never mind.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chilling in the desert, I'm good under pressure. Stick around, let me hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, hold me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout. Stick around.
a map.
You keep vlogging,
Uh-huh.
and I'm fixing.
Alright, okay, yeah. Sounds like a plan. That's the relationship we've got, isn't it? You fix, plan, everything.
Just to let you know, Hastings Pier closes at 10 p.m. Do you still want to travel to here?
Let me think.
Google, go yourself.
This isn't fun. This is one hell of an incline. It's kind of like Windlatter Pass from the coast to coast. But get up, get up, get up, because it should be a nice 10 miles at least downhill. Yeah. It's not a bad view, that at all. That's how far we've come up. It's only took us 6 hours. Worth it.
Yeah, you can see the monopiles at Seaton.
Monopiles at Seaton. Monopiles at Seaton. Oh, I can see the power station. Yeah.
There's the monopiles at Seaton that we come past this morning.
Now, here he goes. He has a few pleasures in life, but he's going to go through this fjord. Well, I mean, it was alright. It wasn't impressive, like. Baramu. Nah. Nah. See that other in the background? Yeah. See that path in the background? Yeah, that's what we're going up. It's about 32 mile. Got that hill to go up and go down the hill and then see how far we get. This is always going to be the hardest day with the incline like that. So, what do I have to say? Well, James, what do you have to say?
Stupid idea. Loads of cyclists that are a lot quicker than us flying past us, making us feel very, very inadequate.
Indeed.
Loads of roadkill.
Loads of roadkill.
I mean, but hey, bonuses. Not us.
Yet.
What do you mean yet? Bit of positivity out of it.
Oh, then.
Can't.
You can't get up.
Achy.
Says him who's sat against a fence and can't get up himself.
Oh, I'm not picking that up.
Oh, I can't. Fucking monkey can't use tool. Fucking come on. Oh, will you as well? How hard can it be? Can you get your finger in on that? Out too. This has taken the absolute. Still got the climb to go. We thought we'd reach the summit about 30 times. See that pass between the valleys? We've come from there. It's mental, this climb. Like, this is bigger than the one we've done in coast to coast. Shattered. Absolutely shattered. We are begging that is the summit, because if that isn't the summit...
That's me. Time out.
Yeah, time out. We're going to be
I wonder if Deliveroo will drop beers off up here.
3 hours later.
We are done in. We finally got off that stony gravel path and we're onto a road leading into a village which we are hoping has a spa or something.
Or a greasy takeaway.
Or a greasy takeaway, one of the two. And then we're going to bed down. But we've got to get along there first. Which, funnily enough, is an incline for some reason.
That gravel set us back about 20 miles.
No, absolutely did. Like James said earlier, we've been violated by Google, I think.
No, it was us and sent us didn't it?
So we have been through one hell of a day. It's probably worse than anything we went through in coast to coast.
Yeah, I'll back that.
If you want to donate to see us in pain, here we are.
Here we are.
In absolute agony. My back's broken. I've got a stitch. My is in absolute tatters. genuinely feels like Elton John's had a right go at it.
Shimmy up, them.
You can't say that.
I can't.
You can't.
What?